Welcome back to Realtecshop. Today, we have something truly exciting for you. We're diving into the latest from Microsoft, the Surface Pro 2-in-1 Laptop/Tablet 2024 edition. With cutting-edge technology and a design that screams elegance, this device is poised to be a game changer. Let's get started. The unboxing experience of the Surface Pro is always a delight. This year's model comes in a sleek platinum finish that exudes sophistication right out of the box. The first thing you'll notice is the 13-inch touchscreen display. It's vibrant, sharp, and incredibly responsive. Perfect for everything from note-taking to binge-watching your favorite series. Inside the box, you'll find the essentials: a powerful charger, the Surface Pen for precise input, and the detachable keyboard cover which transforms this tablet into a full-fledged laptop. Setting up the Surface Pro is straightforward, thanks to Windows 11 Copilot Plus. This latest iteration of Windows offers enhanced productivity features and a more intuitive interface. The 13-inch touchscreen is not just about clarity. It's also about interaction. The Surface Pen feels natural and responsive, making it ideal for artists and note-takers alike. Under the hood, the Snapdragon X Plus processor with its 10 cores ensures that this device handles multitasking with ease. Whether you're editing photos, managing spreadsheets, or gaming, the Surface Pro is up to the task. Despite its power, the Surface Pro remains incredibly portable. It's lightweight, making it easy to carry around whether you're heading to a meeting or a coffee shop. Connectivity is key, and the Surface Pro doesn't disappoint. With multiple USB ports, a microSD slot, and Bluetooth capabilities, staying connected is a breeze. The versatility of the Surface Pro is unmatched. Switch seamlessly between laptop, tablet, and studio modes to suit your needs. It's a device that adapts to you, not the other way around. In the era of remote work and virtual meetings, the Surface Pro's HD camera and studio-quality microphones ensure you always look and sound your best. And for the gamers out there, the Surface Pro handles light to moderate gaming smoothly, thanks to its robust GPU and fast processing power. So, there you have it, the 2024 Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 Laptop/Tablet. A device that blends power, portability, and versatility seamlessly. Whether you're a student, professional, or creative, the Surface Pro is designed to meet your needs. Thank you for joining us on this unboxing and review journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Surface Pro. And if you have any questions, we'll be happy to answer them. Until next time, stay tech savvy.